UPSC rolled app review. Is this social media app worth using? If you've come across the Upscrolled app and are wondering whether it's a social media app worth using, this review will walk you through what the app offers, how it works, and key things to consider before you download or start posting. UPSC Rolled app is presented as a social media platform where users can share content, connect with others, follow trends, and engage with posts through likes, comments, and shares. The appeal of a new social app is the possibility of fresh features, community building, and an alternative to mainstream platforms, especially if it promises easier discovery or unique ways to interact. Getting started with Upscrolled app typically involves downloading it, creating an account, and setting up your profile with photos and a bio. A user-friendly interface and simple navigation can help the onboarding experience feel smooth and intuitive. However, a polished design alone doesn't guarantee lasting value or a safe environment. One of the most important factors with social media apps is whether the community and content quality are worth your time. Good platforms foster active, respectful engagement, diverse content, and features that help you connect with people who share your interests. If the app feels empty, repetitive, or filled with low-quality content, user interest may fade quickly. Security and privacy are also critical. A trustworthy social app should protect your personal data, use secure connections, and clearly explain what information it collects and how it's used. Vague privacy policies or unnecessary permissions can be red flags worth paying attention to. User reviews can also provide insight into whether Upscrolled app is worth using. Verified feedback that mentions engaging communities, reliable performance, and enjoyable features are positive signs. Generic or overly enthusiastic praise without detail makes it harder to assess overall quality. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Upscrolled app offers a straightforward social media experience with easy setup and navigation that makes it accessible for new users. Its potential for community building and multimedia sharing can make it enjoyable, especially if you connect with people who share your interests. On the downside, the cons focus on quality and longevity. Content quality can vary widely, and limited verified feedback makes it harder to judge the overall user experience. Privacy and data handling should be reviewed carefully, and basic features may not match what larger social platforms offer. In summary, the Upscrolled app can be worth using if you're looking for a simple social media platform with easy navigation and engagement opportunities. However, varying content quality, limited feedback, and privacy considerations mean you should proceed with realistic expectations and compare it with more established social networks before committing significant time.